Hello everyone, welcome back to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech, I will be showing you how to find and see blocked people on Instagram. So first thing is you open the Instagram application, then get logged in into the account of yours. Once you have been logged in, you need to go and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, tap that. In the profile page, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right, tap that. And there you need to go to setting and privacy. Tap on setting and privacy. Now in the setting and privacy, you need to scroll down and there you will need to go to the option who can see your content. In the option, you will see the blocked on third. Tap on blocked. Here is the page where you can find and see blocked people on Instagram. So I'm just gonna go and block a random person. So I'm just gonna go and block this account. Tap on block. Tap on block. As you can see, this account has been blocked. So I'm going to follow the same process, that is going to profile. So I'm going to go follow the same process that I have just shown you. Tap on profile, then tap on three horizontal line on the top right, tap on setting and privacy, then scroll down to who can see your content and then tap on blocked. There you can see the account that I have just blocked right in front of you. This is a way how you can find and see blocked people on Instagram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.